everyone, so I wanted you guys to meet our lovely birds. We have Buddy, Hooligan, and Poopsie, and I never remember which one is Poopsie and which one is Hooligan. But you see, they're beautiful birds, and they're just enjoying the balcony today. The flowers are doing really well, and I'm going to show we have the tomatoes, but we also have on each orange tree we have oranges, and it's really fun to see that there's even a tiny little kumquat growing. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this very short video. Hey, sweeties. Hey, sweeties. Good. Good boy. Yes.